Hi everybody, welcome to Module 4. Happy Memorial Day. Hopefully you're enjoying your weekend and remembering those that this day is about. This week we're going to be looking at two chapters in the organizing function of management. One is about managing change and the other is about managing the human resources of an organization and helping them work together in a diverse workplace. Your first assignment is the discussion board, and here we're going to be focusing on change. So you should identify a change you'd like to see implemented. Read about force field analysis in the chapter. Identify those forces driving in favor of the change and those pushing against or restraining the change. Identify what you will do to try to shift the equilibrium point towards your change. Identify who will resist your change and why, and how you'll handle that resistance. We know there's always going to be change. So post your initial response by Wednesday at midnight and respond to at least 2 others by Sunday. Your individual assignment is looking at on-the-job video for Chapter 9, Barcelona Restaurant Group, Human Resources, so their approach to managing human resources. So that's an individual assignment, so submit that under Task 2. Then for each chapter, Chapter 8 and Chapter 9, you have a quiz and an assignment. I've also linked here to MindTap the video from Chapter 9 for the individual assignment. So if you're in MindTap and you're in Chapter 9, look for the videos link or title and expand that, and it should be the very last one. So let me know if we have any questions. Otherwise, have a good week.